Welcome everyone to the complete project of facial recognition along with gender, age, emotion detection using DeepFace model. For our project, you have to download the XML file from the description and then you have to create a new folder. After that, you have to open the folder with VS Code or PyCharm. I'm going to use PyCharm for creating our project. You can also use VS Code. So after opening the PyCharm, you have to create a new Python file. For that, you have to select your project name and then you have to right click and then you have to select Python. After that, you have to type the name of the file. So you can type your own file name, face recognition. So this is how you can create Python file in PyCharm. So after that, you have to change the settings. So in the settings, you have to select your project and then interpreter. So you have to change your Python interpreter. So I'm going to select Python 3.9. So you can also select any one of the Python version you have downloaded. But I'm going to use Python 3.9. So after selecting the interpreter, you have to install the packages required for our project. So the most important package that will be our OpenCV. So you have to select the plus icon for installing the package. And then you have to type the name of the package. You have to type OpenCV. So you have to wait for the package. So in that you can see there are many packages available for OpenCV. But we need only required package, that is OpenCV contrib Python. So you have to install that package for our project. So after installing the package, you have to type the other packages if you want to install. Then you have to close the package and then you have to select apply. Then you have to select OK. So this is the procedure for installing the packages in PyCharm. So in the first class, we are going to discuss about how to import the packages required for our project. So first we need to import the OS package. So OS package is very useful for reading and writing the files. So you have to type import OS. And then you have to import the second package CV2. So CV2 useful for detecting and recognizing the face in the web camera. For that only you have to use CV2. And then you have to import the NumPy package for numerical calculations. You have to import NumPy. At last, you have to import the last package, that is DeepFace model. So this model will be useful for facial recognition. So you have to type from DeepFace import and then you have to type the submodule DeepFace. So these are all the packages required for our project. So if you face any errors, you have to install the package in the PyCharm. So that's it. In today's class, we have discussed about how to create a project in PyCharm and how to import the packages for our project. In the next class, we are going to create our data set.